video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, it is officially 21 days. Yay! Since I have been of my main food addiction free. It takes 21 days to break a habit. So I really feel like I am on my way. Something that I've been using for years when I'm about to reach a goal or whatnot is I use this app called Dream Days. It's free, and it can count up or count down or do whatever you'd like in regarding to reaching a goal. So I actually have it set for kicking the habit, and it wasn't until this morning until I swiped and I saw it saying 21 days, and I just felt so excited. I really realized what a grip that the chips and the crunchy snacks had on me. I can't explain how good it feels to actually not have those things in my life. I had a really great week last week, and honestly, every single week that I have gone, it has only amplified my week. And honestly, just knowing it's only been 3 weeks, and every week I'm getting better, and I just know it's gonna keep getting better. So something that I will mention is that from when I cut the sugar out of my diet and 99% gluten, honestly, like, it really amplified my life. And I knew that in that year that I quit eating sugar and the gluten, that I couldn't have done like half of the things that I did. Just the energy levels that those items, those food items, like, put me in. So now, like, I knew that this year, 2019, is gonna be a huge year for me. I know it, I can feel it. And for me, like, just being cognitive of the energy that I'm putting in my body, food, that chips and those kinds of snacks are very low vibration, and so which isn't helping me. So if I'm eating foods that are high vibration, aka real food, like vegetables and fruits and just things that are real, honestly, that raises my personal vibration and just makes me feel better. So that's all I can possibly say, is that just, you know, think of everything as a whole. Like, not just about, I have to eat this or whatnot. Like, think about it as like treating yourself like number one. Like, where do you want to be? Where do you want to go? And then honestly, like, taking it step by step. So I mentioned that last week I was going to be incorporating seafood. So I actually didn't, because I actually haven't been home for the past 2 weeks, and I won't be home this coming week. So I you know, honestly, I wasn't prepared, even though I kind of was. But anyway, I didn't eat any fish. No big deal. I just literally ate the exact same diet or the exact same foods that I was eating the week before. So now this week I am gonna be eating that seafood. So I have wild salmon. Then I'm probably just going to maybe make like a seafood salad or whatnot. Also, this is honestly a really big thing for me, and this is like the craziest thing I could possibly ever say. So my entire life, I have been like Ms. Workout. Like, I am Ms. Workout. I always was a big gym goer. I used to train people. Like, I love the gym, but something kind of changed, and I don't know what happened, but literally I haven't been to the gym since February, like February of last year. So this has been kind of bothering me. But you know, when like you want to make a first step, but you get kind of bogged down with the feelings, and you start making excuses and like overwhelmed, and you know, I'm making it such a big deal. And so my whole thing this week, and I have a membership, it's not like I don't have a membership, I have a membership, and I haven't used it. So this week as well, with eating more seafood, is my goal is to go to the gym one time, just one time, because I know that once I go, I'll be like, why wasn't I going? I love the gym because I love the gym. I love lifting weights. That is my jam. So I'm really excited about getting back into it because again, that will raise my vibration even more. So that's my goal this week. And let me know if you're having any kind of struggles or whatnot, because honestly, like, I enjoy so much all the positive comments from all of you on your journey, and let's just empower and help out anyone else on their journey, because remember that you're not alone with any of the thoughts that you have. So just be kind with your thoughts. Reach out if you need any kind of assistance or whatnot, because we've all been there. I've been there. I'm still there. So it's just being patient with yourself and loving yourself and treating yourself like number one. Because remember, when you're your best person, you're not only doing yourself a favor, but the entire world a favor. So I want to thank you, and of course, check me out next week for How Did I Do? And thank you all, and we will see you soon.